The Waterdrop X8 has been installed. This thing is super awesome, very quiet. It's calibrating right now, but look how compact it is. This is what it looks like under our sink. It replaced this system here. So we had the traditional reverse osmosis system with the sediment tank, the GAC, the CTO. We also have this different type of filter. We have an ultraviolet light, and we also have like a huge tank that needs to be filled. And when you use it all, it takes time for it to flush back out and get new water in. So it's very slow. This one is very modern. The flow is just going straight in and straight out through the filtration system. There's no tank. Cleans up the sink very much. Underneath the sink we have a lot of space. So how does this work? We have a couple of lines right here. So this line right here, this is going to be your water inlet. That white one, it comes in and it comes to right here. This is our inlet, and that's the water inlet right there. Very easy. All you do is just tap into your inlet, and this is where it goes to the faucet normally. So we have this extra piece here. Then you worry about the drain. That's the red one right there. That's the drain. That's the drain, the dirty water that comes from the filtrations, right? So that one goes just back here, and you actually have to drill a hole right here into the drain and connect it. It's very easy, but that is the drain, so it drains out. That's the wasted water. It's part of the requirement for the reverse osmosis. Very simple design. And then last but not least, there is this blue wire. This is the blue tubing that goes around, coils up, and that's what goes up to the top up here. So this is our water valve. So this is very nice, very smooth. Right now it's calibrating. It needs to calibrate for about 35 minutes, so we're just running water through it. Once it's done, this will show us the status of each filter and also the quality of the water. Very smooth and beautiful design, and it's got the display too. So the reason why it has a display is because this thing is powered. There's also a power wire right here. That's the power wire that comes up, so it does have power. And then this thing does require you to connect it to power. So there's power that comes in from the outlet, and there's power that goes to the faucet, but that's it. There is about 5 connections: the red, the white, the blue, the power, the gray one, and then the black one down here, and that's it. And then these are the filters. I do like that the filters are 3 different sizes, so you can't get them wrong. You twist them by quarter turn and they unlock. No tools needed, just use your hands. And then you have status of the filters right there, and you can close this up with this nice X8 cover right here. It's magnetized, so it looks really cool, and this thing is super quiet. There's magnetized lid right there. I love it. It's very modern. So that is the reverse osmosis system for Waterdrop, the X8, compared to the old system that we have here. The old system is just so bulky and it just takes up a lot of space, and I didn't like this tank. And the reason why we replaced it is this tank right now is out of order. It's just filled up with water and it's not even pressurizing properly. So there we go. The updated system is now installed. The X8 from Waterdrop right here. This thing is amazing. Oh yeah.